Continuing to watch the tropics, as you mentioned, peak of hurricane season. We're pretty much there. It starts in mid-August and continues into the month of October. Peak date is September 10th. Quiet here at home, but keeping an eye on the tropics, specifically in the Pacific. Lala, a hurricane once more. Category 3 hurricane. You can see that well-defined eye, but the storm now west of the Hawaiian Islands. Going to be approaching some other islands in the Pacific, and this storm still could strengthen a little bit more from where it is as it moves northward. So not affecting Hawaii anymore, other than maybe some rough surf. It'll eventually start to weaken as it moves northward. Back here at home, quiet on satellite and radar. A few clouds overhead. We are still watching that humidity to slowly decrease overnight through the first half of tomorrow before it picks back up during the second half of the week. But tomorrow overall is looking like a really nice day. We could see a few showers late on Wednesday. I want to emphasize the word late. Daylight hours are looking just fine. Now here's that muggy meter showing you that decrease into about the middle of the day tomorrow, or excuse me, decrease middle of the day tomorrow. Then eventually it does start to slowly creep back up overnight Wednesday into Thursday, eventually returning to the extremely humid category by Thursday afternoon, with some showers and some storms possible Thursday afternoon as well. But tonight, going into the middle of the week, we're down to about 70 degrees within Baltimore city limits, mainly clear skies, and we could see a little bit of some patchy fog in a few areas around our region because we still have some of that mugginess in place. Tomorrow, it's warm, it's bright, but it's not going to be that humid. In fact, midday is going to be the lowest point of humidity that we probably see until next week. So lunch outside, if you can swing it, great idea for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, so don't forget the SPF and the sunglasses. If you're heading to the O's game against the Yankees game too, bright sunshine out there. Temperatures dropping through the 80s throughout game time. Now let's jump ahead to tomorrow evening. It's quiet, but then as we head toward the overnight, we could see a few spotty showers, a little bit less than when I saw you at 7, at least on this model. The models want to now focus more so on that afternoon wave of storms. Moved kind of fast, but I'm going to watch the time frame on Thursday between about 2 and 6 or 7 o'clock. We could see a few stronger storms, and as illustrated here, we've got those warmer colors, deep burgundies, as well as some purples trying to show up. Very heavy rainfall, maybe a couple of stronger storms on Thursday afternoon heading into the evening as well. So we'll be monitoring that. Another round of showers and storms expected on Friday. We will have some periods where it will be dry through the weekend. So it's not a complete washout of 4 straight days, but certainly going to have to watch out for some rain, some of it heavy with that humidity quickly returning to the forecast. Now things are looking a little bit better to start off next week, but we got to get there first. But I'm not rushing Wednesday with comfortable conditions out there, Rick. Definitely going to be a nice break from the heat and humidity.
We are going to soak in Wednesday. That is for sure. Rochelle, thank you.